Hey everyone, it's John here today. It's March 14, 2021 here. I make videos covering cryptocurrency, Dogecoin news, and Dogecoin technical analysis, aka the sticks. But in this video here, I'm gonna cover the Dogecoin news, okay? And do me a huge favor and just tap that subscribe button and tap that like button. It takes you less than like a second, maybe even like a millisecond or something to do it. Real quick. If you're on your phone, just tap it real quick and do me a huge favor, okay? I really appreciate it. All right. You came for the Dogecoin news. Let's get to it, okay? So I'm gonna start off with a Reddit post here. Obviously, this isn't really news per se, but I think it's very relevant because Reddit is kind of like the online community, and if people are talking about Reddit, they're probably talking about it in person as well. So this meme here says hashtag Biden tendies. Much wow. Little doji, right? Okay, why is this relevant though? Because I mentioned in a previous video as well that one stimulus is $1,400 will equal about 24,454 Dogecoin at the time of the video's creation here, right? But now that Dogecoin price increase here, so this makes more sense. One stimulus is 24,000 Doge there, okay? And as we can see on the news already, like on CNBC and etc., I'm already seeing that people are getting their stimulus checks deposited into their account as soon as this weekend already. So Saturday, even Friday evening, right? So some people are already getting it, and some people are already buying it already. Okay, so I believe we're gonna see Dogecoin go to the moon sooner rather than later. Okay, guys and gals, you just gotta sit tight and keep buying. That's what I'm doing. I'm buying some dips right now, and again, as always, we just need to hodl or hold, right? Don't get weak hands and always want to sell. Remember, diamond hands, diamond paws in this case, and we will go to the moon together, okay? So that being said, the stimulus is going to be a big deal, and as you can see on the current chart, I mentioned that we're doing a cup and handle formation, and currently we're still in the cup, possibly in the handle, but we will see in the days to come for confirmation. For more on that, please watch my other video about Dogecoin technical analysis. I won't cover it here too much. I just want to give you a sneak peek, and if you want to watch more, go there and check it out. Okay. So back to the news. Okay. So yesterday, on March 13, 2021, when I made a video, Elon Musk was throwing a bunch of tweets about Dogecoin. Okay. And then I saw this one here, and it just blew my mind here. I mean, look at Chris Pratt. That face. This I'm done. Elon Musk on Twitter. I'm getting a Shiba Inu. Hashtag resistance is futile. Okay. That, re- that hashtag right there is a Star Trek reference. I'm pretty sure about the drones, or is it the Borg? I forget exactly. I think the Borg is what they're called. But put a comment below and correct me if I'm wrong, okay? But I'm pretty sure that this is a Star Trek reference, and the Shiba Inu, aka Dogecoin, resistance is futile because the current 6.3, we're tapping it over and over and over and over. And of course, we're backing down right now because once you test enough times, you don't break it, you're going to pull back right here, right? And that's perfectly healthy. You want pullbacks, and you're supposed to have pullbacks, and that's great. So Elon Musk, our Dogecoin CEO, is taking us to the moon, and I hope you're all on board. And again, watch these videos here and check it out, okay? And I saw this also on Twitter. There's a person at It's All Risky, I think is a female, and I think she wrote a really good article. And I would like to go over it with you guys, and I'm gonna give her the credit for it at It's All Risky. It's All Risky, sorry. Um, and she basically put her article says this is why Coinbase will list Dogecoin. Okay, so it sounds like she's kind of summarizing it, and I think it's great, personally speaking. So she's saying all eyes are on Coinbase as pressure ramps up for the popular cryptocurrency exchange to finally list Dogecoin on their platform. Elon Musk, Dogecoin's most prominent supporter, just yesterday tweeted his approval in favor of Dogecoin being added to Coinbase, with Elon Musk adding his voice to the car. A Coinbase listing may come sooner than you think. Here's why Coinbase adding Dogecoin is inevitable and why it's a really big deal. I agree because Coinbase is where the institutional buyers went to buy a Bitcoin for Tesla. Okay, so if you have institutional money on that current exchange there, well, guess what? If Dogecoin gets in there, well, you never know. Some of these institutional buyers may just buy some Dogecoin to diversify their portfolio, right? And seeing as Dogecoin is so hot right now, you know what I mean? It can only help Dogecoin. And of course, as always, the more trades we get, we're gonna get more bears and we're gonna get more bulls. So we're gonna see more volatility. When you see more volatility, guess what? Hate to say it, but most people are gamblers and they're gonna want to play Dogecoin, and the Dogecoin casino will continue. You know, right? But of course, if you're watching my videos here, I say invest in Dogecoin, buy the dips, and don't sell. That's what I'm doing. And obviously, I don't give financial advice. I'm just telling you what I would do and what I'm doing. Okay. So continuing on to the article here, Elon's endorsement on Friday at It's All Risky reached out to Elon on Twitter asking if he thought that Coinbase should add Doge to the platform. Elon replies with a resounding yes exclamation point. Okay. I mean, that's like all you gotta say, right? Yes. What else you want to say, right? And as always, we know Elon. And she's saying too, Elon's voice matters, and his latest tweet may just be the straw that breaks a Coinbase camel's back. I mean, honestly, when Elon talks, people listen, right? I mean, the guy is like a visionary. He has a cult following, you know, and he's proven himself in all his ventures. So you know what? When the man says it, just do it, man. You know, he's good for it. So okay, when Elon talks, people listen. Okay, I kind of mentioned that too as well, but she's saying it as well. So Elon is undoubtedly one of the most influential men alive, and his support of Dogecoin could move mountains and getting Coinbase to comply with listing the Doge deemed cryptocurrency. In fact, Elon's recent pressure on Robinhood may have expedited efforts by CEO Vlad Tenev to, I probably said it wrong, but forgive me if I did, to enable cryptocurrency wallets for their customers, proving Elon's efficiency at putting pressure on high-profile exchanges here. So a few weeks back, that is true. Just to give the story a little more emphasis here, in case you aren't aware of what happened. So basically, Elon Musk was saying, "Hey, we have too few. We have a few whales holding all the concentration of Dogecoin here, and I don't like that for the most part. Obviously, I'm paraphrasing here, and we need to spread it out here, right? So then people are researching, who is the mystery whale here, right? And lo and behold, we found out it's Robinhood. Okay, so Robinhood isn't necessarily being the whale in a sense where they're using Dogecoin to buy and sell stuff here. Why did the whales? Because you can buy and sell on them for free pretty much. Everywhere else you've been to, you get charged a fee right here. But the only thing with Robinhood is that it's not a self custodial wallet. So that means that they control your the private keys and all of the keys right there, right? So basically, when you buy on Robinhood, you're essentially just getting the value of Dogecoin. You don't necessarily get the coin where you can take it out and give it to your friends or whatever. So you can just buy it there on Robinhood and sell it there, get your fiat US dollars, and then give it to your friend that way. Okay. So what Elon Musk is proposing is saying, hey, you know what? Get rid of it, right? And now on Twitter, Vlad is saying, I hear the Vlad replies, I hear the community and appreciate the enthusiasm for wallets. We are working to make this happen safely and expeditiously. Okay, that's good. One done faster. We are looking to grow our Robinhood crypto team massively this year. Join us #crypto, #Doge, #Bitcoin, and a link below. So it sounds like Vlad is hearing the people, and he's trying to give us what he wants here. But obviously, you're gonna need the infrastructure behind it and the team of coders to support it right here, right? So obviously, there's always the business side and the technical side, and it sounds like they need more technical help there. So you know what? If you know this kind of stuff, this kind of code, hey, hit them up. You might get an awesome job, and then let me know, and I want to interview you and see what's like there. Okay. All right. With Robinhood rushing to distribute crypto wallets in order to dilute their Dogecoin holdings, Coinbase has a lot to gain by enabling Doge on their platform and getting ahead of one of their leading competitors. I mean, that makes sense. I mean, literally, I don't know how easy it is, but I would assume for Coinbase, if they primarily just trade cryptos for the most part, I'm sure adding one more isn't um that much of a leap and boundary here, right? Because maybe they already have all the code, all of the infrastructure already involved. They just got to turn on a switch or something, and add them on. I mean, obviously, it's probably more involved. I'm just simplifying it. Of course, I don't know how they do it, but I'm just saying from the outside perspective here. You know, I can see with Robinhood because they primarily trade in stocks, and their cryptocurrency offerings is very minimal, like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and now Doge, right? So it's very few and far in between. So anyway. So Aaron, at It's All Risky, at Elon Musk, at Coinbase, if, pardon, at Robinhood app, added wallets, they would be a legitimate new competition for Coinbase, possibly even a better exchange since Robinhood supports stocks and users can buy and sell, spend, manage all their stock and crypto assets in one place. Um, I actually agree with that. Honestly, Robin. Ooh. All right, guys. So as before, it's a risky saying that Alex wallets should be legitimate new competition for Coinbase, possibly even a better exchange since Robinhood supports stocks and users can buy, sell, spend, manage all their stocks and crypto assets in one place. That would be amazing, honestly. I think it'd be great. And Elon Musk even replied saying, "Hey, it's all risky, Vlad and Lisa my life." He's saying this is an opportunity for Robinhood to outdo Coinbase. I couldn't agree more. Robinhood is already ahead already. And, I mean, they have all the stock markets and all the users already. All they gotta do is add on a new segment onto the current platform here, and it'll fly to the moon, right? So Coinbase's breed bias. Let's see. Dogecoin has historically been ignored by Coinbase, partially because Dogecoin was treated as a joke, had a low market cap, and until recently traded only under 1 cent. That's very true though. But recently, by recently, the past few weeks, you're seeing the truth is that Doge is good for business, as Slim Jim and the Dallas Mavericks have come to learn within the past week. Literally, I mean, Dallas Mavericks had 20,000 transactions in a day or two after announcement. Slim Jim is getting all kinds of good PR, and Slim Jim is kind of like a well, I want to say household name. It's definitely a 7-Eleven name because it's everywhere in any kind of gas station for the most part. So Coinbase has little to gain from keeping up their breed bias. They have a chance to gain millions of customers and dollars by enabling Dogecoin trading. And with the pressure on from Elon, they should be making it a priority. As I mentioned before, as I said before, I don't know the inner workings of how it is to add on, a new a ticker, but I would imagine it shouldn't be that hard, right? Because as I mentioned before, they have all the infrastructure in place already. So let's see here. Okay, only a matter of time. Dogecoin is a legitimate cryptocurrency with durability, security, fast transaction times, and comparably low fees. That's very true. I recently moved some Dogecoin over, and I got charged like 1 Dogecoin, so it was like 5 cents. It wasn't very bad, right? It has active development, engaged supporters, and surging popularity, helped in part by influential folks like Elon Musk. I mean, there's Snoop Dogg, there's Gene Simmons, there's all kinds of folks now, right? With its market cap at over 7 billion and positioned within the top 15 cryptocurrencies, Dogecoin is well deserving of a place on Coinbase's esteemed exchange. I mean, I couldn't agree more. Many cryptos listed on Coinbase have a fraction of Dogecoin's market cap, with far less interest and community passion than Doge. Interesting. Dogecoin is long overdue for a place in Coinbase's altcoin arsenal, and ramped up pressure from Elon and Dogecoin army. That's right, Doge, 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 may finally turn a tide. It's only a matter of time until Coinbase bows to the pressure and adds Dogecoin. It just makes sense. I couldn't agree more. Again, it's all risky. You are amazing. Great article. I appreciate you. I just want to share this article out, and of course, I'll leave a link below so you want to check out read for yourself here. Um, Follow the money here. Coinbase is on the heels of a very public IPO and is said to be valued at over around $100 billion. Oh my word, that is a ton of money. I can't imagine what $1 million look like in person. So, 100 billion. Whoa. It's an opportune time for Coinbase to go public with cryptocurrency in the mainstream spotlight due to an unprecedented bull run that has seen Bitcoin reach recent highs of over 6,000. That's true. Bitcoin has made new all-time highs here. So, with that being said, I see no reason why not include Dogecoin. It has a very large market cap compared to other currencies, as it's all risky mentioned. So why doesn't Coinbase offer Dogecoin trading? Do you not value their customer base enough to make their own investment decisions? As a company planning to go public, they should do what's right for their investors and their customers. Hashtag free to Doge. Kind of reminds me of Britney Spears, right? You know, free, hashtag free Britney or something. Adding Dogecoin will help Coinbase gain new clientele and make more money, which is what investors want more than anything. That is true. A Coinbase listing would also turn a spotlight to other cryptocurrency exchanges like PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, and Gemini. I do know PayPal lets you buy Bitcoin currently. Same thing with Square too. Oh, no, I'm sorry, is it called Square or Cash App? It's one of those. I forget exactly. They do let you do it though. Who would be eager to cash in and appease their customers by adding Dogecoin to their exchanges here? I mean, Okay, let's see. If you follow the money, a, a Coinbase listing is inevitable. Okay. I mean, I couldn't agree more. It's only a matter of time, right? Everyone says, Dogecoin is fake news, but before you know it, it's gonna be real news. Let's skip this part here. I don't redo everything for you guys. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Dogecoin and Coinbase is a match made in heaven, and all the signs point to an impending Doge listing. With the IPO at the forefront of Coinbase's priorities, my guess is that the listing will come either immediately following the IPO or shortly before it, so that the Coinbase can ride on a momentum of media coverage and retail popularity. I mean, that actually makes a lot of sense. Actually, honestly, that's very good. Very good perspective right there. Coinbase is planning to IPO as soon as this month, so we may soon get insight into their plans going forward. Okay, I guess we have to wait and see. Let's what's it here? Okay, here we go. Getting Dogecoin on Coinbase could be the catalyst that skyrockets the coin to 10 cents and beyond. I couldn't agree more. There is so much money in Coinbase right now that hasn't even been tapped yet. And folks, we're about to go for a great ride here. And let's see the next one here. So FX Street saying Dogecoin price prediction, Doge lift off to 0.065 in the cards. Okay, I agree with that. And you'll see more of that in my technical video as well. But of course, it's going to take time, and I'll cover it there. So Dogecoin bull sets eyes on 0.065 after breaking above a crucial technical pattern. Okay. Failing to hold above 200 SMA may increase from selling orders. Okay. Well, I mean, that's kind of, all right. That's kind of normal. So that being said here, I do believe that Dogecoin is very bullish. Yeah, we may see a pullback, but that's totally normal. That's totally fine. And as always, do me a huge favor and just tap that subscribe button and tap that like button and leave me a comment below of where you think Dogecoin is going. All right. This is Hey John. I'll catch you on next one.